guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to use a new funky one, this one and this one, and today I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to feel like running parts of my day, but yeah. Let's go. So I'm in plastic surgery thing for the week. So you all are going to follow me along where I learn what plastic surgery is about. Thank you.
The first day when they insult you, you go drop phone first.
Subscribe to our channel.
See guys, meet Shalewa, Shakirat, and Victor. My up. Yeah. You guys, so I used to watch this YouTuber. Her name is Machuku. You should go and watch her. And she literally just hits. Like, I've been her fan for like how long now? I don't know how long, but like I've been her fan since. And she just hit 10k subscribers. And like that just motivated me to go and post my YouTube video that I did not post because I felt like it was going to be boring because it's like a silent vlog. But I'm still going to post it. I don't care. It's good to show up. One day you'll be recognized. So pretty. You guys, I literally had to climb like long. You guys, I literally had to climb a lot of stairs because I'm scared of the elevator. So first the camera. Shakira. I've been begging Shakira since she started her YouTube.
I'll make a good housewife.
You make a good housewife with your lab coat.
With your love coat.
Shit, that's crazy. How wilding. So you guys, I'm waiting for my sister. My other sister surprised her with like something because she just finished her exam, and I'm very very jealous because like who would do that for me? Nobody. But I just want to see her reaction. She probably knows it. Anyway.
Bucking over the track.